and welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now go listen to what he has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. Love you guys.
Listen, and if you continue to support this nonsense and skin up on a big dirty stinking teeth, Honor is a part of the problem too. I don't know and I don't care. I'm focusing on Dwayne Fletcher and Dwayne Fletcher only. Not about nobody. That was like my mama and my papa. That's about nobody. Back to that about people for. Ask about me. Say, Dwayne, how have you been? Ask me about me. Ask about me. Ask about nobody else. I don't care about nobody else. Every day is the same nonsense. Every day. And the sad part about this is all of you big, grown-ass, hardback women. Honor is a part of the problem too. Like that Charmaine, whoever Charmaine is, all of you, the what I honor cause the animosity on here. Not just Charmaine, every single one as a collective, the what I honor cause the animosity on here. That's why Facebook has continuously remained stagnant. The stagnancy on here, it stink. It stink. When will you people change up your narrative? There is so much mix-up out there. Me no say on a love mix-up. I'm talking to these platform holders too. I am speaking to these platform holders too. There is so much mix-up out there. Broaden your horizons. And stop being stagnant. On a life sad. Honor life is sad. Everything 99. Lord Jesus Christ. Crack your teeth. Caca-eye. What about the name? Hyena. Every day. On a life not sad. On a life sad, bad. And this goes for all of you as a collective. The Walla on a player who is endorsing this mess. Shame on all of you. Shame on you grown-ass hardback people. You grown-ass, grey-front, hard-back people. Shame on the Walla. Nothing have grand pitney. Nothing soon dead. Go and give your life. Go and give your lives to the Lord. And that's what if you do. Go and focus on God. Only need God in your life. Only need God in your lives. You need God. You need God in your lives because clearly the devil is running rampant in your heart and your damn soul. The devil is running rampant and you don't realize him a control honor. Was this the way you guys was brought up? Was this the way you guys was brought up? I bet you not. I bet you half of you, 3/4 of you, 3/4 of you was brought up in the church. Where did you go wrong? Ask yourself which part of no go wrong. All you people do is come on here every day and tear down each other, tear down your brothers and sisters, tear down your brothers and sisters. And this big dirty stinking hardback man, soon dead, all he does on here is tear down females and you people continue to endorse his BS. Soon reach 60 years old. Soon reach 60 years old. Pushing 50 plus. I can assure you. Where is the women empowerment there? Nothing to say, so are you guys saying to me you guys only empower some females and tear down the rest? And that's what you're telling me? Okay, all right, darlings. All right. I hear you, darlings. Honor life sad. Honor life is very, very sad. No, Sharon, don't laugh, don't laugh. There is so much mix-up out there, Sharon. Sharon, there is so much mix-up out there. Scroll YouTube. You will see for yourself so much mix-up out there. But every day for the last 4 years, every day since 2019, every mix-up on here is surrounded the woman from over 99. Every day. Una cuss out drinker, una cuss out dog, una cuss out puss, una cuss out rat for in the name, well, not for her, in the name of her. And I am not saying it is her fault. I am not saying it is Minasar's fault. Because everyone on here have choices. You have choices. You have choices. You have choices. But no. Oh no, just want to remain stagnant. Don't you guys realize, look at my page lately. I don't want to talk nothing about, no. Very rarely. Like today, I will talk about this because more I want to send out a message to all of you. Social media can be so fun. It can be a fun place to be. It can be very fun. Ever since I joined TikTok, I realized, like, listen, my horizons has been truly broadened. And me done for 99 mix-up. Me done. Not just 99, but I'm done for a lot of you mix-up cars. Listen, darling, if I continue to endorse all of this message, I'm going to remain stagnant too. And I don't want to be stagnant. Me can't be stagnant no more. I can't do it, darlings. I can't do it. I cannot do it. She can't tell them nothing. They're not her damn children. They are not her children, Chelsea. She can't tell them nothing. And I've come to that realization too. A lot of them are only doing it because they want the clout. Clouty, and more clouty. Yes. Darling, Curly, all of you who's continuously been disgraced for these people, I would encourage you. Stop. Whatever it is happening, stop. Let them talk. One day they must stop talking. One day they must stop talking. The more you continue to feed into their narrative, this is what they want. I'm only talking to the people who's getting continuously tarnished, disgraced on here in the name of views and laughter and fun. You guys don't realize when these people come on social media, you guys don't realize their lives might be messed up already. They come on here, a lot of people come on here to, remove some steam. And every day they come on here. Every day they come in here. It's the same trash. The same trash day in, day out. The same trash. On a life sad. On a life is very sad. And Curly, if you continue down this path too, your life is sad too. All of you who's getting tarnished in the name of these people, on a life is sad. On a life is sad too. And clearly, this is a path that you guys want. You guys want it. Otherwise, if you didn't, you wouldn't be looking at them. And you most importantly would not be playing. You see me, people? They used to cuss me out every day. They cuss me out every day. Every day they used to cuss me. And I don't look at them. I don't even play their videos. That's how bad it is. I want to remove myself from all of them. That's why I don't listen to nothing them chatting. Nothing. If someone comes and say, the way them call, I don't care. I'm going to talk, and I look upon them.